Huwag niyo
May
i-win yan. Likod natin,
may
likod natin.
nagtitake
May tatlo,
sa
sa
right.
likod. Likod.
Yeah, sa
To your right now. One
Huwag niyo
party to
pa-take,
the right.
please.
One party to the right. I need pivot. One party to the right now. One party to the right. I need a pivot here. I need more people here. Tulungan niyo ako dito. Tulungan niyo ako. Pivot sa right now. Lahat sa right. Lahat pivot sa right. Lahat pivot sa right. Pivot sa right. Lahat pivot sa right. Okay, lahat ng responders, manggaling kayo ng Silius Abyss, mag-march agad kayo dito. Pivot sa right, please. Pivot sa right. Ayan, nice. Okay, keep going. PvP. Kill people is inside the stone. Kill people inside the stone area. Nice. Good work. Split, Jumbo, Melt. Good work. Sa taas ng ledge, please. I need more people sa taas ng ledge, please. Sa taas ng ledge. I'm coming from B2. Please, shot call. Go ahead.
Hold lang yung sa mga Boonstone, ha? Tungo ng mga nasa inside Boonstone, please. Pasok, guys, yung mga nasa labas. Tapos yung nasa taas, ha? Clear yung nasa taas after nan. Nagre-regroup sila sa top. Talo na sa top. Yung front muna, yung front. Thank you. Okay, pasok. Flash wave.
Regrouper should be coming from B3, ah.
Nado. Good. Don't chase, ha? Huwag natin iwan yung Boonstone.
Mga left side of Woodstone.
May napasok. Sige, defend lang yung top, tapos bantay lang ng konti sa baba.
Panay doon ng ledge. Panay doon dito sa akin. Panido. May choke point, right side. Panido. 3, 2, 1, go.
Good.
Na-save na. Nice one. Okay, check yung sa may kanan. Kaila din Shimi may isa pa doon. Okay, umatras sila.
Alright, back to ledge everyone. Back to ledge, good work.
Hold lang, walang chase. Dito lang tayo.
Heal up, don't use skills, back to ledge. Add Colette to party, please. Ledge also, ledge. Go, 4, wait. Flash wave Nado, now, flash wave Nado, go, flash wave Nado, left side muna, may nagugulo sa likod, going to the right, may nagugulo going to the right, pivot kayo sa right agad ha, pivot agad sa right, everyone, pivot agad sa right, now, pivot agad sa right, pivot, please, pivot. Lahat ng responders, manggaling kayo ng B2, pivot agad sa right, sa ledge, pivot agad sa right, please, pivot agad sa right. I need pivot here sa right. I need more people here sa right. Right area, please. Right area. Pivot sa north, sa ledge, please. I need people sa ledge. Now, ledge. Nasa loob na sila. Okay na, meron na tayong foothold sa kanila. Sa loob, everyone. Sa loob. Go. Kill them all. Sa loob ng area. Please, go ahead. Kill them all. Hindi nila pwede makuha to. Patayin nyo nasa loob ng Boonstone, lahat ng respawners, manggaling kayo ng ulit. Manggaling kayo ng Silius. Keep going, matagal pa yung capture niya. Huwag kayong kakabahan. Get for the backline, guys. Get to the backline. Respawners, go na agad. Buffs and stone on your call, guys. Maria and Ever, anytime.
Buffs pwede na. 10 minutes yun eh. Yung stone mamaya.
Incoming kami. On the way. Support is on the way. Nice, 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 nice. Keep going, keep going. Matagal pa yan. Hindi pa nila makukuha yan, guys. Labanan nyo sa loob. Yung mga nasa likod, kunin nyo. I need people to pick up people at the back line, please. Back line. Jill, sa ano ka, 0.4 ka maglalagay, ah. Salamat. Daan ka sa C1, C2.
Time mo last mga 5 minutes, no?
They are giving us a good game, everyone. Let's respect, respect. Nice. Keep going. Likod, likod, please. Likod. Backline, backline. Keep going for the backline, please. Keep going for the backline. Sa ledge, please. Ledge. I need people at the ledge. Nasa na kayo? Ledge. Akyat sa ledge, please. Akyat sa ledge. Huwag sa baba. Huwag sa baba. Sa ledge kayo magpa-PK. Yan. Clear them all. Clear them all from the ledge, everyone. Good work. Clear them all from the ledge. They're incoming. Coming from two. Coming from two, everyone.
Oh.
Nice pop. Nice pop. Good work. Good work. Nice pop. Alright, melee. Melee users, I need you guys here sa Buha Riftstone para mag-unload yung progress nila. Range, dapat nandiyan kayo sa taas. Nice. Specifically, Jumbi and Nishimi, samahan ninyo yung crowd ng mga range. I-bodyguard niyo muna sila. Kami muna dito sa baba. Mas malakas kayo sa amin eh. Melee, sumama ka na rin. The rest dito sa baba. Actually, you know what? Akyat lahat. Akyat lahat. Pagkakuha nito, akyat lahat.
May resistance sila doon, ah. Ayun,
Sige. Nasa labas naman.
Kaso labas yun, eh.
Go up! Go up! Wait lang! On my mark! Wait lang! Wait lang! Wait lang! Una muna sa right, ha? Una muna sa right. Left pala, left. 3, 2, go for the left. Now, left. Collapse at left. Collapse at left now. Collapse at left. Collapse at left. Left, left. Left. Kailangan ko puntahan nyo yung left side. Sweep nyo yung left side dyan, guys. Sweep nyo yung left side. Sweep nyo yung left side. Nice, nice. Now, go to the right. Pivot to the right now. Pivot to the right. They're giving us an easier time by dividing themselves. Go to the right, please. Go to the right. Okay, go to the right. Then, pagkakuha niyo sa right, akyat kayo ulit sa ledge. Respawners, manggaling ulit yun na Silius. Nice work. Good work. Be sure to cleanse your Anars. Anars cleansing kay Adelina.
Nakapal yung left, ha? Nakapal na yung left, guys.
Okay, I'm down. Melt, pa-take over.
Nagda-dive na sila. Pa-flash wave dito sa may bull. Medyo makapal na.
Icon boon.
Yung sa taas, ha? Yung sa taas.
Pakil ng blob. Yung pa nasa taas, focus na nasa baba. Pag wala na, pwede mo lang piling nasa baba. Then balik sa taas. Pakil si down sa jumpers. Down, low.
Blue Monster is here. Prioritize getting Blue Monster on a party. One of our superstars are now back.
Mix,
Welcome, Blue Monster.
Itong one-on-one user, nagwa. Jumpers, patanggal na lang.
Na-clear na yung top. Talon kayo dito.
Eliminate. Ano ang pangalan nito? Pakil. Nice one. Left side.
Partida ka.
Right sa choke point.
Partida ka mo. Wala si Blue Monster.
Wala yung halimaw
Pakil na
namin.
choke point dito sa left side, please. Para di na tayo snowball. Para yung snowball.
Okay.
Nice one. Good work.
Ako na magpaprayo ng Telestone, ha. Telestone na ako, ha.
Last
Sige,
3 minutes
pwede
yung
na yan.
Telestone, yung reso muna dito.
Guys, ilan minutes yung
Sige.
yung life ng
Sige, Jill, ikaw po.
ng
Sige.
Redstone. Ilan minutes ba yan?
Dito ko na lang sa
2 minutes.
taas ilalagay.
Sige.
Dito ko na mismo sa taas
Kung ilan
ilalagay.
yung magre-resu.
5 minutes yung reso, 3 minutes, 3 minutes lang yung Summon Gate kasi.
Okay.
So,
Pwede na
kailangan
si
last
Reso.
3 minutes available
last
si, si
sige.
Summon Gate.
Copy.
So, I think,
Alright, 6
let's go.
minutes. Kadan, let's go! Atin to, guys. Atin to. 34 online. Atin to. No trash talk, ha. Atin to. Nice, thank you, Jill. Guys, may Reso Stone na, ha. Arjing at 2. I'm gonna have you switch up tactics. Go now. Go now dun sa harap, sa 2. Punta kayo sa 2. Now. Puntahan nyo na sila now. Iwanan ninyo, okay lang yan. Ako bahala sa inyo, may Resistone tayo. Puntahan nyo sila. PK at 2. Hindi nila magagamit yung ledge. No ledge advantage for you. PK at 2. Alright. There's a guy here in the backline. Why are you here, brother? Backline guys, may nag-backline sa inyo. Pasukin ninyo to. Yung mga nasa backline, kailangan nyo i-remove to. PK at 2. Pivot back. Dito, back. Pivot back. Sa loob. Pivot back, please. Pivot back. Please, Resu. Using the Resu Stone, everyone. Resu Stone. Nice. May lumilikod. We're demolishing their party lineups. Akala nila okay mag-regroup sa harap, ha? Hindi ganun yun. Akit ulit sa ledge, everyone. Akit sa ledge now. We baited their summon gate in the front. That's what we're looking out for. Alright, melee, I want you inside the Rift Stone area. Melee only. Range sa taas. Waiting for 2. They are regrouping at 2. I need melee users here. Please undo their progress. Alright, respawners, use the Resu Stone. 4 minutes remaining. Alright. Huwag kayong magpapaisa-isa, huwag kayong papapitas ha. Huwag kayong magpapapitas dyan. Ayoko ng less amount of people. Gusto ko marami kayo. Coming from 2, go! Kill them! Go! Good work! Alright, wipe them all. Nice work. Okay. Alright.
Nice try, Chris.
Yes, oh yes. Ooh. Let's go. Alright, I need more people here inside. Si Bombay, nagka-capture. You're not gonna capture this. I'm on full CC mode. Not gonna let you, bro.
Bombay pala
Not-
yan.
not
May
this
wag na
time.
kills. Lasa pa
this
Bombay.
Bombay.
Bombay got Bombay.
So,
Alright. Free kill zone yan, pero huwag kayo sa labas ha. Papasukin nyo sila. Gumawa kayo ng spacing. Guys. Low mga pre. Isang low mga pre nga dyan. May scout sa likod. Jill, anytime you can put a red pistol.
Hide dito
Back!
sa tent.
Back all. Nag-RG sila. Huwag kayong magpapa-RG. Back all. Jill will be activating the teleport stone. So pag na-wipe tayo, meron tayo isang bawi. Wala muna. Reject muna. Wait. Hold. Wait lang. And go. Go now. Go. Forward. Flash wave Nado. Go. Flash wave Nado. Please. Flash wave Nado. More people. Flash wave Nado. Keep going. Nice kill. Backline, please. Sa backline. Above you. I need people sa likod. Sa backline. Above you. Go ahead. Resu here. Backline, please. Go ahead. Alright, go ahead. Backline. Kill the backline. Sino nameless. Alright, good work.
kaya na tong back.
34 online, good work. Kaya na yung backline, no? G na yan. Okay, sweep pabalik. Good work, Tekadan. Sweep pabalik. Looks like ma-upload ko to.
Okay.
Go to 2. Engage.
Best fight we had so
Good
far.
work. Alright. Protect the summon gate. There is a guy who's watching from Casualtitos outside. Keep watching. Feel free to watch. Our proceedings. Baka kayo ng konti ha. Meron yung advantage. May pickers advantage yan dyan. Pag nandiyan kayo banda, makakapag-skill sa inyo yan. Pag pumasok yan.
Careful guys ha, huwag kang pante.
Tank Dog and Gumes, naman kayo. Sige, dyan na kayo kung gusto niyo. Kayo naman yan. Tsaka Ariel. Mukhang GG na to. Maglalasura sila, maglalasura. Don't let your guard down and go! Go, 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 go! Flash Wave Nado! Flash Wave Nado! Tornado na yan, minsan! Tornado na yan! Let's go, let's go! Let's go! Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. May nagka-capture, may nagka-capture, may nagka-capture, may nagka-capture, may nagka-capture, may nagka-capture, nagka-capture. Alright, nagka-capture, ka-capture, ka-capture. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh,
GG.
GG.
Well played.
Please say thank you and well played then. They did their best. Good work. PPM mo na rin si may-ari ng Lesanchus.
Pasok na ba tayo?
Ano na?
Pasok na tayo yung Brimstone.
Well, why not choco na? Teka lang ha.
Pasok
Ano
na
ba,
yung
paano
mga
ba gamitin
attendee.
to? Oo nga, no? Pwede pumasok. Pwede kayo mag-F sa Riftstone, guys, ha? Nasaan si Morokai? May daanan. Okay. O, pasok lahat ng Riftstone. Reward muna tayo. Mag-Riftstone na tayo.
First time.
Guild ano to, ha? Guild loot muna, tapos i-distribute na lang. Ayusin pa namin yung distribution nito, pero guild loot muna siya ngayon, ha? Lahat ng blues ibabalik. Epic, guild distribution muna. PM ko muna yung lead ng Lisanchus para naman makapag-thank you. Asan ba ang kanilang lead? Hi bro. Hi bro, thanks for the fight. Guild, good job.
Guys, thank you sa mga umaten.
Thank you sa mga umaten. Tsaka starting to sa ninyo, sa pagpapa-activity ninyo, hindi natin magagawa to nang hindi kayo nag-activity pa. Ito yung reward ng activity ninyo. Ngayon, since first time natin to, never pa tayong gumawa ng system for this. So, pasensya muna saglit, guild muna yung epic loot kung meron. Titingnan natin paano natin gagawin fair to everyone. So, pag-usapan na lang natin later.
Sige. Ito, walang kwenta to eh. Mura lang to eh. Yung mga kasunod nila, nagpaplano tayo.
Maganda sana kung lahat makakakukuha.
Namatay pa si Luna.
Ay, naku, ulit. Arcane Shadow Gloves din. Okay din.
Oo.
Pag-iisapan na lang natin kung
Pwede.
paano yan baka sa kapayan.
Tenga muna to sa guild ha. Kung may gustong bumili ng Arcane Shadow Gloves na Magic Endurance, you may go. Okay lang. So, for now, dinner. You guys can spend dinner. Boss hunt ng 7 p.m. 8 p.m. Magda-guild dynamic event tayo. Pasasama kayo. Alright. I'll have a recording for this one later on stream. Pwede nyo siyang i-backtrack. Pwede nyo panoorin kung gusto nyo panoorin yung buong.
Thank you, thank you.